guys. Ate, nag-live ko. Cebu Pacific Airline. Pwede ba ba? Cebu pa. Cebu pa. See you, bye-bye. Thank you, bye-bye. Oo. Balik na me. Good morning. Thank you. Ay. Hi. Very nice. Beautiful. Mga pretty. You can see hi. Baby, so that Kobe can see. You can me ano. Let's go to sun. Oh, this is Cebu Pacific. Dako lagi ni. Linya tadi? Oh, 20 man to no? 20. Nakalay. Lakas na ano? We'll see. In 20. Doon pa man.
And we request everyone to kindly safeguard all those items, especially hard objects such as flasks, tumblers, and electronic devices inside your baggage before stowing it in the overhead bins. In line with this, please take caution in securing your carry-on luggage and then opening the bins to prevent items from falling off. Thank you.
Usok-usok na.
Nakikisama po lamang namin ng lahat na ilagay sa loob ng inyong mga dala-dalaan ang anumang bagay na maaaring mahulog tulad ng flasks, tumblers at electronic devices bago ilagay sa ulan ng kompartamento. Maraming salamat.
Salamat. Kapitana, bari mo niyang panirap right. Opo, maano naman na si Kuya. Ay, salamat.
Maganda
Hello
po
everyone,
ito.
welcome to your Cebu Pacific flight where we make moments happen
Salamat
with
na
you.
hindi na kami magbibigay.
This is 5J2902 bound for Manila, and only guests for this flight to Manila must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call your cabin crew or
Kana te, mo na.
magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang
Do you want to put your bag in the?
lipat bilang 5J2902
This one.
patungong Manila. Kung hindi ito ang inyong tamang lipat, maaari po lamang natawag.
Hindi, doon na lang akin yung ano. Your bag. Is that okay? Alright. Aba, nagpabinta na ang lola. Wait. Okay. Hindi ka mag-picture-picture ka, be. Hi, pretty. Namin si order.
Nasa likod no.
Mako ko ba? Ano, mga tanong ta. Saan yung ano nyo? CR? Likod? Ah, okay. Thank you.
Hindi ba mag-CR no?
Naku, pag CR sa ko, hindi pa man ni madagan na yun. Hindi pa man ni mulupad dagan. Ha? Ha? Ay, saba ang ate, oy. Dire ka rin niya usa. Langga, langga.
Hinain man to.
One, isa pa.
Na may fog.
Kadalik yung kung ano ng normal nga set.
Ada may fog.
Naipag. Naipag-pag. Oh. Yeah. Isma langga. Oh, ikaw din. Kung ano? Hi guys. Oh, nakaling nga.
Portrait lungod.
Oh, isa pa. Kana. Oh.
We are about to close the main cabin door. All ground
Meron ni mo?
personnel, please. The
Oh,
support
ikuha
ground
ni
cabin crew
Imod.
stand by.
Oh, ina lang oy kay alanganin na. Ha? Kadali ra maguna pwede man kamutindog og mag ang good.
Ano na ini?
Oh. Ang kuha na kay kompleto naman.
Unya na naman.
Ay bag na to. Gilak. Mingaw na sa oh, dara. You okay? Ha? Iko. Iko anak siya tika ng i-airplane mode na siya. Ay, mag seatbelt na ka kay kuan. Seatbelt. Seatbelt ka, seatbelt. Ay, pala. Ang sa seatbelt ka, safety first. Hi, shout out everyone. Nami sa aeroplano. Nami sa aeroplano, babay na, humanang holiday na mo. Back to reality na. Garang akong baby ng bagong niya. Thank you for my uncle, for your uncle, for the haircut. Nagkarasis na yung dahil ay muli o pod. Nagkarasis na na. Salamat manang. Balik na kami ng Maynila. Flight bukas. Buti may signal pa. You still have a watch too? Signal? Pakita din sa gawas, ti, oh. Ti, oh. Pakita din sa gawas. Ito, sa window. Diba yung view na? Sa window mo pa doon ka sa pakbo. Okay. Yan. Doon ka sa pakbo. Saan?
Man.
Hello everyone, good morning. This is your First Officer Maxine, together with Captain Liemos. Welcome aboard Flight 5J2902 bound for Manila. Our flight time is approximately 50 minutes and cruising altitude will be at 34,000 feet. Weather news is forecasted to be fair and Manila weather updates shall be reported prior to our descent. Your safety and comfort is always our priority. Request all guests to pay attention to announcements from the flight deck and the cabin crew. Your usual patience, full cooperation, and compliance are highly appreciated. Please do not hesitate to call on the attention of our cabin crew should you require further assistance or clarification on these important measures. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific.
Cebu Pac.
Pero mahal na. Kita ko ano.
Asa? Tanawa.
The main cabin door is now closed. Mobile phones and other portable electronic devices must be switched to silent mode. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is strictly prohibited while cabin doors are closed.
Thank you, girl. Thank you, thank you. Airplane mode. I will switch off this one. Once that you gonna thing. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Jules, together with my team. We have Twinkle, Arian, and Joe. Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific, making first moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart for Manila. In command of the aircraft is Captain Liemos Antonio, ably assisted by First Officer Yomoyong Maxi. Our flying time is approximately 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
At this moment, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift up of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of a water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tag to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tube. Blow to increase air and push pin inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft, and please be reminded that the unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you. Put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for a snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exits may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with an escape slide. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the nearest exits.
Enjoy your seatbelt, baby. Where's your seatbelt? Thank you po. Thank you.
Please stop using them.
Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
There are also fire
Bye,
extinguishers.